Hey guys, the trading space is often filled with confusion and scattered information, making it hard to stick to a trading plan and achieve consistent income from the market. Therefore, we want to present a full smart money trading plan, guiding you step by step from beginning to end. In this video, first we will explain how to apply smart money concepts step by step on the chart to make a well-informed general analysis. Then, we will walk you through our trading setup, providing specific entry and exit points. Lastly, we will present the backtesting results, offering objective evidence of how the strategy has performed in the past. Welcome back, guys, and let's get started. Now, a few key concepts in the smart money trading plan require practicing on the chart before grasping the trading strategy I'm about to share. First, we have market structure and direction. This involves determining the key levels of the chart's structure and identifying bullish, bearish, and directionless markets. Next, we have optimal trading zones and order blocks. These areas on the chart can potentially provide us with high-probability trade opportunities. Moving on, we have liquidity concepts. Liquidity fuels all markets, and it's crucial to identify where positions could be liquidated to prevent unexpected losses. Lastly, we have entry setup and managing an open trade. Once certain favorable conditions line up and we find an entry point, we execute the trade with specific order details. Also, managing open trade requires monitoring market conditions and adjusting for potential success. If you're new to trading and uncertain about these concepts, we recommend watching our previous videos on these topics first. Now let's get into the strategy. This trading plan consists of two major time frames. First, we have a higher time frame in which we will do most of our general analysis. We will read the market structure to find the direction, key levels, fair value gaps, liquidity areas, and more importantly, optimal trading zones that might potentially provide us with a high-quality trading setup. In the second part, we will zoom into our lower time frame to find confirmation and enter the positions. Remember that this trading plan is not limited to any chart or time frames. However, your entry time frame must be 2 time frames lower than your general higher time frame. In this video, we are only going to use 2 time frame combinations. If we analyze the market structure and find optimal trading zones in 4 hours, we will look for confirmations and entries in 15 minutes. Similarly, if our higher time frame is the 1-hour chart, we will zoom into 5 minutes to open positions. Now I have simplified this trading plan into 5 simple steps. After we go through the steps, we will look at the entry models to explain how the strategy could be implemented visually. If you cannot completely understand each of these steps, be patient because we're going to explore them in depth with multiple real chart examples. At the end of the video, I will show you the backtesting results, which will provide real evidence of how well the strategy has performed in the past. So let's start with the first step, analyzing the market structure. In this general analysis, we implement the market structure concepts of smart money to the chart to simply find the market direction and key levels. We have 3 types of markets in terms of direction. We have a moving uptrend, where the price continuously makes higher highs and higher lows, breaking the structure to the upside. So we want to trade with the dominant uptrend because it increases the chance of success. This process continues until we get a change of character, which signals a possible reversal. Change of character occurs when we get a break and close below the lowest point of swing low between 2 consecutive highs. Second, we have a moving downtrend where the price continuously makes lower lows and lower highs, breaking the structure to the downside. Once again, we want to trade with the dominant downtrend until we get a change of character. Then the market sentiment will change to bullish. We also have a directionless market, which occurs when the supply and demand are not powerful enough to push prices into a directional trend. When we continuously get changes of characters on the opposite side and can't surely identify the trend, we have a directionless market. This trading plan is a trend continuation strategy, so implement it when you can clearly identify the price direction. Here we have pound yen on the 4 hours chart. Let's implement the first step to find the direction and key levels. Here we have a clear moving uptrend that made a series of higher highs and higher lows and breaks to the upside. The market sentiment is bullish, and we only want to look for buying opportunities. These are 2 of the recent consecutive highs, so the lowest point of this correction is our swing low. And as long as we stay above this key level, we identify this market as bullish. The second key level is our latest high created by the price, which we will use to set our higher time frame target level. Now let's continue and see what the market will do next. Here we can see that the market broke structure and created a new high. But the market barely pushed the price upwards, and look at all our rejections, which shows a significant momentum loss. Then we have a break and close below the latest swing low, which makes it a valid change of character. Now we are no longer in an uptrend, and all we need to do is wait for a 1, 2, and 3 moves to the downside to identify the direction as bearish. Then, we mark the most recent key levels and look for short opportunities. Now this is all we need in the first step, identifying the market direction and key levels. Let's continue with the second step, key concepts of smart money. This step will identify fair value gaps